What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back here with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about these YEEZY 380 aliens. One of the dopest Yeezys I feel like in the whole Yeezy line. That's just my personal opinion. Don't let me persuade you any other way. Before we get into this right now, what I need you to do is subscribe right now to the channel. Ring the notification bell for your boy and follow me over on IG at DeVintage World, man. If you have not noticed, your boy been going up live gaming that new Call of Duty, man. So if you have not tuned into the streams, go check them out, and also tune into the live streams. I try to do it like every other night, if not every night if I can. If school is not going too crazy for me, I'm definitely on that Call of Duty playing with the boys, man. Dope game. But we talking about these YEEZY 380s today. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, before we get into this video, I wanted to show you guys two other Yeezys that kind of was like my favorite in the Yeezy line. I know there's many more silhouettes in the Yeezy line, but the two that really stood out to a lot of people, and of course to most of the sneakerheads, I feel like, is the 700s and the 350 V2s, man. They've been dropping a lot of colorways of these 350 V2s. They kept dropping, and a lot of colorways was looking the same, just a little shade darker, a little shade lighter here and there. But my favorite one of the V2 this year was the all triple black joints. They were very similar to the Power Blacks, the V1s. I know a lot of people want those to restock as well, but we might not see that restock for a while. And then also the 700s, man, a lot of colorways been dropping these as well. Not a lot that I jumped out and went to go get. I know when I was in Germany, I went crazy for the 700s. They're just a nice bulky shoe. They could go for any season, summer, spring, winter, whatever you want to do with it. And I definitely beat these things up. I definitely need another pair as well, man. And I wouldn't mind seeing some more colorways of the 700 silhouette. These 380 aliens, which I'm gonna put a picture up right here so you can check them out. You should already know what I'm talking about. Seen a couple of early reviews. Right now the prices and the restock is looking real crazy. You can check on StockX, and a lot of pairs are going for 800 plus, if not $1,000, especially in my size. I know it's $1,000. And to me, I feel like that means this shoe is going to be limited right off the gate. And when I say limited, I mean it's going to be hard to get online. It's going to be a lot of bots that eat them up. And I don't see this shoe releasing in any store. So that's why I always tell you guys to stay tuned in the Discord groups. If you have not joined the Discord group, man, search some up. Look on Twitter, look up some cook groups, and see who is really giving out those gems on how to cop these YEEZY 380 aliens, man. So the expected release date is November 16th, which is coming up very fast, which I had to drop this video for you guys to give you guys some tips and to talk about this shoe and give you guys my personal opinion. And the retail was $230, which is $10 more than the YEEZY 350 V2. So I know a lot of guys are looking at the resale right now. They're like, oh man, should I jump on it? Should I not? But me personally, I would advise you to wait. Look at all the past Yeezys that has released. A lot of them has a restock, especially the creams. I remember when the creams first dropped, people was going crazy over them, paying crazy amounts of numbers, and then they restocked. And I got my pair for right around retail. I think it was like $230 I paid on StockX. So I feel like these are going to do the same thing. The initial first release of the silhouette is always going to do crazy. It's going to be those people, those sneakerheads that can't wait for the shoe, that got to get it right now. And they're going to be the ones that spend that $1,000. But if you just wait, give it a couple months, you already know they're going to restock that shoe. Another shoe that you can look at and kind of gauge what I'm talking about is the YEEZY 350 V2 Zebras, man. Those shoes released 3 times already, if not 4. I'm not sure. But when they first came out, people spending thousands of dollars on that shoe. Then they restocked again, and they dropped around 500, and then they restocked again. When I copped her 2 times, and I got them for retail, man. So just wait, save your money, don't go crazy over shoes. I know sneakers kind of get you like, I want to spend that money to get them now. Like honestly, just wait. Don't spend too much money on them because they will restock eventually. You know, I've been checking Foot Locker, I've been checking Champs, stuff like that. No store has been scheduled to get them, but I do know for sure that Yeezy Supply will be getting them. Adidas.com, of course. But back to what I was saying earlier, man, make sure you get in the Discord group. Make sure you're up to date with all these Yeezys that are about to drop. There's a couple other ones that's gonna drop later this year, which I'm gonna make another video about because it's like 3 other 350 V2s releasing, and hopefully we see another YEEZY 380 release in a different colorway. I like how it look, got that nice bulky bottom like it has on the 700s, and it has like a whole like prominent upper, man. And you don't get much around the ankle, man. It's pretty much just like a nice stretchy look to it. You don't get a lot of heel support, ankle support, and stuff like that. But the shoe, fashion wise, I guess you could say, it's very different. You will definitely stand out with that shoe. And an initial colorway for these 380s is looking very, very good, man. Like I said, go check out some videos on YouTube. If you have not checked them out on feet, they're definitely dope. And I know it would change your mind when you see them on feet. I know a lot of people always, you know, don't like a shoe when they see it on picture. But when you see it on feet, when you see it with a couple of jeans options and stuff like that, then it really changes your mind. These 380 Yeezys, man, are different. I think it's going to shock the sneaker community again. I know a lot of people's already going crazy over them, like I said, and I can see that shoe having a lot of colorways released, just like the 350 V2, just like the 700. So just stay tuned, stay up to date, get in the Discord groups, follow Yeezy Mafia. Just be ready, man. Just be ready for these releases of these 380s, because I know I'm definitely going to try to add at least 2-3 pairs in the collection, and I especially want this Yeezy 380 Alien colorway. Once I get more updates about where the shoe is releasing and how to cop and stuff like that, which I gave you guys tips today, I'm going to drop like a live stream or something talking about these 380 Aliens, because I think it's going to be a crazy release. I think it's going to be one of the biggest releases Yeezy wise this year. Because I know there's a lot of people like me that is feeling this colorway and this new silhouette of the Yeezy model. All right, I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Give you guys a couple of tips on how to cop, where to cop, and the retail price and release date of these Yeezy 380 Aliens. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boy, and stay tuned for the live streams, man. Like, I'm trying to go up live every other night, if not every night if I got time. Just pull up to the live stream, chop it up with your boy, talk about some sneakers, play some COD, and we're gonna have a good time. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.